Liris Chica, Dori Pangilinan, inaming hindi perfect ang relasyon nila ni Bel Mariano. Sabi niya, not always, minsan yung perfect ay base lang sa ideal mo yung listahan ng traits, yung image na akala mo yun ang hinahanap mo. But the right one isn't always perfect. May flaws siya, may pagkukulang, may moments na hindi siya magiging what you imagine and that's normal. The right person isn't the one who checks every box. They're the one who understand you and respects you and chooses you kahit hindi convenient. Yung hindi lang magaling sa simula kundi consistent kahit dumating na yung challenges. Perfection can be an illusion. Madaling magbukang perfect sa una kapag bago pa. Kapag wala pang pressure, kapag hindi pa lumalabas ang tunay na ugali. Pero kapag tumagal na, doon mo makikita kung sino talaga ang right. Hindi sa kung gaano sila kaya ideal, kundi sa kung paano kanila tratuhin kapag hindi na madali ang lahat. The right one gives you something deeper than perfection. They give you peace. Hindi ka nila pinaparamdam na kailangan mong magbago para lang mahalin. Hindi ka nila iiwan kapag nakita nila ang flaws mo. Instead, they stay, they understand, and they grow with you. So no, the perfect one isn't always the right one. The right one is the one who stays real with you, chooses you consistently, and loves you not just at your best, but even your most imperfect moments. And yan, nahanap ko na yung sakin. And si Bel yun.